Here it is. Michael Todd Beauty at Fashion Week. I'm nervous, I've never gone live before. And I'm also nervous because right when it's done, I have an audition and I have to take off all the makeup that I'm going to be putting on and change and de-glam.
Instagram is about connections, it's about, you know, making relationships with people. But the reason why we changed from pure chronological to this new algorithm, evil algorithm, is because most people are missing their feed. So your sister-in-law could have had a baby and you wouldn't know it because it's chronological. And Kim Kardashian posted 56 things of her walking down the street in Yeezy. You know, like you just don't know because it would have been buried under chronological. So we changed it because of that reason. We know that people want to see like the people they care about or the accounts they care about.
Hey guys, come check me out at Michael Todd Beauty's Instagram. I'm going to be going live and doing a demo with their Sonic Blend brush. Go check it out.
Okay, we're about to go live with Daniel here at New York Fashion Week.
So you don't need to use as much product because it doesn't absorb all the product that like a beauty blender would. You just use really light pressure, kind of does all the work for you.
There she is. And what is your, just tell our followers your Instagram handle so they can check it out from Michael Todd Beauty.
Okay, I finished the live tutorial and now I gotta quickly remove all this makeup and change in the cab, but don't worry, I have a tank top under so I don't have to get naked. And then I have to make it to the audition. Yay, fun. Let's do this. Made it to the audition location, but I am starving so I didn't have time to eat. So I grabbed a quick banana at a deli. I'm gonna eat that and then I have some lunch after. I can't believe that just happened. Right before they called me in, my nail broke and literally, look at this. It was gushing blood. Oh my God. I was like in the room and I was trying to audition, but it was bleeding and I was hiding it behind my bag. Oh my God. I literally can't believe that just happened. I'm in the bathroom trying to soak up all this blood. Ironically, it's for a period pain reliever, so I should have just been like, this is my vagina. No, literally, the second before they called me in, my fingernail like rips off and it was gushing. You know, like when the whole nail like rips off and it's like gushing blood? It was non-stop gushing. It was like going into my hand. I was really scared they were gonna see it, so I was like holding it behind my back. I started wiping it in the inside of the back of my shirt because I was like, whatever, they're not gonna see it, I'll wash it after. At least it got me to not use my hands, because a lot of issues I have with commercial reads is that I use my hands too much, so it kept my hands down, so maybe it helped me. It actually really hurts. I can't believe that just happened. Not to mention, when I first got there, I signed into the wrong sheet and the guy was like, what's wrong with you? Phew. I'm finally home. I'm gonna eat a sandwich and I'm gonna chill for a sec. Chill, you know? I'm also gonna check the back of the inside of my sweater because I'm a little nervous about how much blood I wiped on there during the audition. Oh my God. It looks like I had my period on my shirt. Oh my God. I know that's gross, but like I had to show you that really just happened. Like it literally was coming out and I was wiping it all over there. I just really hope it didn't ruin it for me. Those are usually the commercials I nail because I'm pretty good with like scripted commercials, but my finger was gushing blood and it was distracting me and I was so scared. A lot of times they say like show your hands, and I was so scared they were gonna say show your hands. Oh my God. Okay. It's done. I can't do anything about it now. I got a band-aid on. We're good. Now I'm gonna go eat something and clean up my cat poop. I just photographed this look, but I usually photograph my left side, so I stuck on some really intense glow on the high points so that it can show up in the photo. So this side is like really glowy, and then this side is like how I actually wore it today. I'm just gonna try to pat that off for the video. So I wanted to vlog a little bit when I went today to the Maybelline masterclass with Desi Perkins, but I felt really awkward like holding my camera up and talking with all these people around me, so I just got little clips of me without talking just so that I can like throw it in later. It was a pretty interesting class, except a lot of the stuff about makeup was very like basic. It wasn't anything too crazy.
It's so satisfying to add highlight. I don't know why. It makes me very happy.
They talked about how they got their start on YouTube, which was pretty interesting. And then I got a photo with Desi and Katie, which was really cool. And they said they loved my makeup, which was, thank you. Katie said it looked really high fashion. I really expected more people to have like cool makeup there because it's like a makeup event, and usually like with like the NYX Face Awards and stuff like that, people show up with like really fun makeup and like colorful wigs and stuff. I was almost gonna wear a wig, but then I didn't. And then I showed up and no one was really wearing funky makeup. I was kind of the only one. People were like giving me looks, but I just wanted to do something fun. I like if it's a makeup event, then it's like the only time I can actually wear something fun that I would put on Instagram. So, but I guess because it was a Maybelline event, Maybelline is pretty like tame. If it was like NYX or Kat Von D or Jeffree Star or something, then I guess more people would probably wear fun makeup like this. Most people were just wearing like neutral colors. So there was this VIP area, which was basically just a sectioned off corner. Wasn't really much going on there, but I just kind of walked in there and stood there awkwardly for a bit. I didn't have anyone with me, I went alone. There was this cool wall of like Samsung phones and you could draw on them, which was really cool. They were doing a bunch of people's makeup, and Desi and Katie were just kind of hanging out there. A lot of people were going up to them and like vlogging and like just sticking their phones in their faces like, hey, this is Desi Perkins, like hanging out, blah blah blah. And I was like, I probably should do that for the video, but I feel so awkward doing that. Like, I'm a pretty shy person, and I feel like it's also kind of rude. Like, I don't know her to just like go up and be like, hey, selfie. Like, I feel like, hi, like you're a person. Like, I don't know. That's something I would do like with a friend, but like I feel like it's kind of weird to just go up to someone that you don't know. Like, she's a person and I don't know her, and it's weird to just go like selfie video. But I got some videos of her. Yeah, and then I did the VR thing, which was really cool. It was like a spaceship ride and you shoot robots. But I started getting really anxious in the middle because it was like spinning and jerking around. So I got pretty dizzy. That was pretty much today. All right, day 2 is complete. I feel so awkward talking and vlogging, so I'm doing it outside and it's raining, so I'm wearing this giant hood. That was really fun. And I did some virtual reality and I got really anxious about the spinning and the jerking, so I just closed my eyes the whole time, which actually worked out because my eyelashes were too long anyway, so I kind of had to like close them so they wouldn't fall off. The only thing is, since I was late as usual, I didn't go down to the VIP section, so I didn't get my little goodie bag. 2 people just saw me talking to myself and they looked at each other like I was crazy. I am. I don't have time to do my hair today. It's a mess. I don't know what to do with it. The last thing is Monday. There's another Michael Todd thing. There's like some cocktail party. Lots of stuff this year in Fashion Week. So Saturday, we good. Right now I am trying to pick a photo of this look to post, and then we shall do a Valentine's Day look. Yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, day 3 is done. It was just a quick little cocktail party for Michael Todd Beauty, or they're one of the sponsors actually. And I got to meet the person that I've been talking to over email, which was really fun. And it was really quick. Grabbed a drink, chit-chatted. I got some goodies from Michael Todd, and I actually got a gift bag this time, which is really fun. Made me feel special, especially because this was like a tight event, like you had to be on the list to get in. Makes me feel cooler than I actually am. I always feel so awkward when I'm at these things alone because I'm always just standing there and everyone has like a little buddy. I need to have a little buddy to go with me to these things. So I'm always just standing there, and my social anxiety from when I was younger starts like creeping back in, like talk to somebody. And now I'm going to say hi to a friend that lives really close by, and we're gonna grab something to eat, and yeah.
never been